today reported the first death connected to this past weekend's terrible winter storm.
The police say 58-year-old William Taylor of Robertsdale, Alabama was driving a tractor trailer on Interstate 81 near exit 66 when it became disabled. Now, police say he was walking away from the truck on the shoulder of the interstate when an SUV hit a slick spot, slid off the road, hit Taylor and killed him. Now, to clarify, this was not in any way related to the traffic standstill last night on Interstate 81 further north in Virginia, but it was weather related. Tom Patton with Kingsport Police said this happened about 1:30 in the afternoon on Interstate 81 Sunday. If you remember, there were still some dicey conditions even along the main roads at that point.
Anytime you're traveling along, the interstate in inclement weather, possibly slippery conditions, you have to slow. You have to realize that there could be disabled vehicles, there could be pedestrians outside of their car, but it's just a very unfortunate situation.
Police said no further information was available. The crash is still an active investigation.